Putting in base cabinets.
Tim?
Yeah.
Alright, and you're trying to keep it straight, see where it's going?
Yeah, I was just seeing how far it's going to come over on the carpet. One side will be on here, and one side will be on here. It'll be unlevel. But Dad, you don't want this old carpet to stay here, right?
No, it's not going to stay. No, we're not going to put anything on there.
So it's just going to be unlevel?
When we put the new floor in,
Shim
we'll
it.
slide it underneath there.
Got it, got it. We're going to shim it up.
Right.
Okay, got it. Yeah. I mean, if you line it up, then this is the width of the stove.
So the stove is 29 3/4 actually. But the door opens right there.
Yep.
So you got to have 30-inch clearance. That's 29 3/4. So we need to be able to come this way with it. So the spacer should turn this way.
Yeah. But if you want this centered, then it would be then you could do a 45 spacer.
I have a hard enough time doing something straight.
Yeah, I agree. Okay.
All right, you're gonna have to look at it level and screw it on this one. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Go ahead and put a bunch of screws across there. We'll shim the bottom. Daryl?
Yeah.
Darrell? When you shim something, you put in the thick side first.
Okay.
And then you put in the thin side on the next one.
Like that.
Well, see, that isn't a shim. That's a piece of wood.
Oh, I thought it was a shim you made it.
And it really does. It makes it level.
Right.
You know? So
You
right
want
there.
it along the side. Does it need to be smooth on the edge?
No, I just put it on the front edge here. Make sure it don't stick out from the front edge. Put it from the side here. And here.
Like that.
Shove them together a little more, Darrell, and
Together a little more?
yeah, the more you shove them together, the higher they get, the thicker they get. Right there, Darrell.
Yep.
Push it together.
Ah! There. All right.
When you put those shims in, I think it's better to leave them sticking out to the side if there's a cabinet next to it, because then you're shimming both cabinets at the same time.
That's a good point. I didn't
Yeah, I
realize
don't
there was gonna be
think
a
we
cabinet.
realized there was a cabinet next to it at the time.
Because I would have done that. I smoothed it out thinking that was the only cabinet there.
Yeah.
All right. Good.
Cabinetry is trim activity, and trim has to be precise often. And cabinetry is one where you need precision and you need planning. We did not plan that corner correctly, with the upper cabinets being shallower than the base cabinets.
But you know what? At least you have a beautiful view while you're working.
True. So just go straight through there. Pushing them together. Yep, right there. So, and then we just have to find the. Okay.
Oh, how much further does it go? Oh, that's good. Yeah, they're good.
Okay.
I just want to keep going. Ooh. Ah.
Good.
Why the double lines?
One is
Outside, one's inside. The inside is what you cut. So now we cut it with a steel saw.
yeah.
Woo! Yeah, I'm not used to this power. have a
kids.
smaller blade.
Don't try that at home.
I know.
We are the plumbers.
Yep, you're looking at them.
Alright. No, we ain't got a faucet. You're locked out.
Piece by piece. How you feel about your work today?
I feel really happy. This morning there were no cabinets, no appliances, nothing. There was rough plumbing coming out of the wall. Now, ta-da!
So how are you guys gonna mount this like this?
So we're thinking about just putting 4 legs on it, like
Got
2
it.
at this end and then 2 at this joint.
Excellent. And it'll sit in between the joints so that it, yeah.
Supports both sides
Interesting.
and keeps them together. Keeps the
Cool.
joint
I like that.
together.
It's gonna be nice when it's done.